Are you looking for the best power tool stand in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best power tool stands that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Amazon Basics Folding Sawhorse. The Amazon Basics Folding Sawhorse is a set of 2 professional sawhorses that can hold up to 900 pounds. This versatile tool is perfect for both professional construction projects and home-based DIY projects. The best part is that it comes fully assembled and ready to use, saving you time and effort. When you're done, simply fold it flat for easy storage and transportation. The sawhorse also features safety measures such as locking braces, non-slip feet, and fold-out stoppers, ensuring stability and preventing accidents. With the Amazon Basics Folding Sawhorse, you can tackle any project with confidence and convenience. Up next in the 4th place is the POWERTEC UT 1002 Tool Stand. POWERTEC stand is a versatile tool stand designed to support various benchtop machines like planers, band saws, and belt sanders. With a 500-pound load capacity, it offers stability for your tools. The adjustable foot pad ensures balance, while the rubber feet protect your floor from scratches. The 32-inch working height provides a comfortable working surface. The storage shelf and expandable top make it convenient to organize tools and work efficiently. The 3rd product on our list is the Wen Rolling Planer and Miter Saw Stand MSA 658T. The Wen stand with rollers is a versatile tool stand designed to support your workpieces effortlessly. Its adjustable rollers can expand up to 54.3 inches, providing ample support for various projects. The metal top offers a durable work surface without the need for drilling, unlike other alternatives. With retractable swivel casters, you can easily switch between stationary and mobile modes. Compatible with most saws and planers, this stand is perfect for any Wen benchtop planer or miter saw user. 2nd on our list is the SGOLAN Rolling Planer Stand. The SGOLAN tool stand offers a spacious double-layer design, providing ample storage for your tools and equipment, which helps keep your workspace tidy. With a robust load capacity of 550 pounds, the stainless steel frame ensures durability and resistance to wear and tear. Its rolling feature allows for effortless movement, with one wheel designed to lock in place for stability when in use. Additionally, you can easily adjust the height across 4 levels, making it convenient to find the perfect working height that suits your needs. This flexibility enhances your efficiency during various tasks. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT Miter Saw Stand. The DEWALT Miter Saw Stand is designed to work with all brands of miter saws, and its lightweight aluminum construction, 29 pounds, makes it easy to transport. The stand's 5½ feet beam extends to support up to 16 feet of material and up to 500 pounds. The legs provide superior support and fold for easy storage. With miter saw mounting brackets, work stop supports, and non-marring feet, the stand is convenient and safe to use. Extension lock levers allow for fast and secure tightening of extensions. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.